Muawiyah's crimes before he became Khalifa. List the crimes. Number one.
He fought Ali ibn Abi Talib. He was trying to start interest. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave him a curse. The killing of Ammar.
This brother documented 4 crimes before Muawiyah came to power. He fought against Ali wrongfully, unjustly. Initiated usury according to him. Killed Ammar ibn Yasir according to him. And the Prophet cursed him according to him. My question is, did Hassan radiallahu an know all these things?
Yes.
He did, mashallah. Hassan knew all these crimes. And then what Hassan does, he sends a message to Muawiyah. I want to join hands with you. Muawiyah is a criminal according to them because of these crimes we have documented. Hassan, for some reason, gets in touch with Muawiyah and gives his hand into his hand and gives him the pledge of allegiance. I will now obey you. You are my Amir. So he gave bay'ah. I'm asking a simple question. Is Hassan equally criminal for putting the greatest criminal on the planet on the minbar? Simple question.